Darla G, and I'm gonna show y'all the Raine braid. There's been a couple tutorials. It's not my braid, definitely not my braid, but I want to do a video on it. This is my first time trying it. But okay, so the center ribbon is gonna be face up, and this is gonna be the desired length of your braid. The ribbon that's teeing with it is going to be double the length of your desired braid. So the right side needs to be double the length and the left side needs to be double the length. Okay, let's start with those two. So get those right angled and teed off. Put a staple here. Okay. And then we're going to put going to use this to kind of clip it onto. And then you're going to take, I have these, both are the 5/16 ribbon, and then this is the 3/16. So this one is going to be the outside ribbon, or your weaving ribbon, and this one's going to be 4 times the length on each side. Okay, so mine happened to be, I'm just using this same color. So this one is flat side up. This of course is showing the shiny side because this one you're not really moving. This is just gonna stay put. So I'm just gonna place a little piece of tape here, just loosely. And then this one is gonna be flat side up as well. And I think, well, before we do that, and that's right. Okay, so let's stabilize this. We're gonna fold these over just like that. Crease it. Crease it. Okay, now our weaving ribbon is gonna go exactly in the middle right there. Let's put a staple. Okay. Okay, so now we'll take the weaving ribbon on the right and we're gonna go under, over the middle, and under. Okay. And do the same thing with the other one. Under, over, under. And you're gonna make sure to cross them here. And now, you do want to crease them. Once they hit your, in my case, the red ribbons, right here, you wanna line them up. Try to get them the same on both sides. And then get them to where they cross evenly in the middle. And you can go ahead and put a staple right there so they don't move. Cover that staple with some bling. I believe that was Connie's suggestion. Okay, so now we're gonna do it again. You're gonna go, now it's gonna be over, under, over. Over red, under silver, over red. And then same thing with the other ribbon, the other side, it's over, under, over. Okay. It's okay, baby. So line it up again. Make sure your ribbons are taut. You're three in the center here. Okay. And so now you see. And now you crease. Make sure you do a good crease. Make sure they're even on both sides and the angle is as close as symmetrical as you can get. Okay. Now you're gonna go under, over, under. And I'm just holding that just to keep those folds the same. And do this one the same. You're gonna go under, over, under. Okay, so you see, find those little creases. If you're not using the glitter ribbon like I am, it's much easier for your creases to stay where they were. Just make sure your crosses are similar, like that they meet in the middle of the silver ribbon where they cross. Okay, we're gonna put a staple just to keep it nice and even. I think that's gonna be the only somewhat challenging part is to keep everything the same until you can get the staple in it. Okay, now you can move on to the next one. Now, again, you're gonna do, so now that they're coming from behind the red ribbon, you do over, under, over. Over, under, over. And over, under, over. Okay. Try to get them even on both sides. Yeah. Nope. It would probably be a good idea to put a staple right here too. Would even be more stabilized. Probably easier. Let's try it. But I caught it just a slightly bit, not even, but now I got it even. Okay. So now try it again. Under. We'll see if it makes it easier this time. Under, over. Under. And then this one under, over the silver, and back under the red.
Am I ready to go to school?
Yes, soon, baby. Your dance class, buddy?
Yeah.
Yep, we'll go in a little bit. Okay.
There's nothing to do here. There's no entertainment for us. I have it for each of you. Come on.
And just get those even in the middle.
Look what I have for you.
Put you another staple to help stabilize. And then start again on your other way. Okay. Okay, now here it is. And now we're gonna add some bling.
There's more to go.
Yeah, baby. That's right. So I'm gonna start
Where's mommy?
right here. I'm gonna add the little flowers. On the black crosses, which really that kind of takes away from it, I think. So maybe I shouldn't do that. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do there. Maybe I could cut out something. But okay, I'll probably come back in another video to do that. But here's the braid finished. Okay, thanks y'all.